Let's see the gold for yesterday and what we can expect for today. Yesterday the price has formed a bullish candle. We can see that the price formed a bullish breakout above 3125.55. A bullish candle where the close price has closed above this resistance level, which is a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value. If we take a look here yesterday on the 1 hour time frame, how the price has behaved yesterday from the morning until the end of the day, we will see that the prices in the morning has reached 3135.61, a resistance level, and from here the price returned back down to the 3113.18, a 4 hour time frame, a support level. We can see that here, where the price formed at this bullish pin bar. This bullish pin bar was the indication of the further rise in value from this area of support. This bullish pin bar has been shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, where the target was here, the next resistance level. So the target was reached in the next 2 hours. So this was a successful premium analysis, breakout information for the price and also for the traders. The price then again reached the resistance level very close to 3135.61 and bouncing for several hours between these two price levels. We can see that. Here the price formed a bearish breakout. We can see this bearish candle below 3125.55, indicated further decline in value, going very close to here, to the first support level, which is 3113.8, and the price has done that. We can see the price has reached this support level. This bearish breakout that has been formed yesterday here at around this daily acting as a support level has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, where the target was again area here, demand zone around the support level. This was also a successful premium analysis information for the traders, so these two were profitable yesterday. From here the price has bounced from the support level 3113.18, has reached it, and we can see the price formed a large candle. This was something happening on the market because we can see wicks on the upper side and also the wick on the lower side, where the price is bouncing back up and down, and then in the next hour the price tried to move again higher, and we can see the price has reached at 3146.37, formed a bullish candle, but we can see it is a gap between these two candles, which means something has happened on the market, probably some kind of a news that the market has created this gap that has been also filled in that hour. We can see that the wick has closed this area. After that the price continued to rise in value. We can see the price has reached at 3159.74 resistance level, and it has stopped just at 3167.72. From here the price returned back down. We can see that, and it is currently at 3146.37. So what we can expect where the price could go today. Let's take a look on the daily time frame. The daily time frame shows me a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which is 3125.55, and now it's acting as a support. The price is trying to reach 3175.73, the next daily resistance that I have put here on the chart. Will it reach? Well, probably yes, because everything is looking as a bullish momentum currently on the market. 4 hour time frame shows me also a bullish breakout. We can see that with this bullish candle, but these levels that are in between this resistance 3175.73 and this support 3125.55, it is an area that needs to be still confirmed. On the 1 hour time frame we can see these are the levels in between that needs to be confirmed, and for now the price is respecting an area around that. So I will modify and adapt these support and resistance levels how the market reacts in the future, because these are the new levels that price is reaching every day, so it needs to be confirmed with several touches, like in this example in the past, how the price will behave. For example, this resistance has been touched for several times with the candles, the support has been touched, and this also support previously acting as a resistance. So these are the levels that are confirmed, so this needs to be done also in the future. For now I'm leaving these ones that I have put here with the Fibonacci extensions, so I'm following them and tracking how the price will behave. But for now what I can see, the price has gone outside of this range area. We can see that here the price has formed a bullish breakout. What I have mentioned also, when the price has formed this bullish breakout above this one, was expecting that the price could return back down, testing the previous resistance. This is a trend line. The price has done that, and currently it is heading up. So if you would like to receive these updates during the day inside the premium analysis, feel free to check the link below in the description. So you receive the breakout updates, like in the yesterday example, when this bullish pin bar has been formed and also this bearish breakout has been formed, the traders have received this information to take the profit from the markets. If you have an idea where the price could go in the following days after this price has reached again all-time high price level, feel free to leave a comment. Let's discuss what is the potentially next target for the price. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.